Alright guys, welcome back to another great video. Today I'm going to be fishing for trout and maybe catfish, whatever bites really, here at North Lake Park in Loveland, Colorado. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, I'm just going to start with a little bit of corn on a 1/0 circle hook here. I chummed a little bit of corn in my fishing spot a couple minutes ago, so I should have lured some fish into the area. Let's cast it out there. Okay guys, just got a little night crawler on this hook on a Carolina rig here with a 1/2 ounce weight, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cast this out into the pond over here. All right, find a place to set this. Let's see, there we go. There's my trusty old spot. And now we're gonna leave it. See if anything bites. Something picked up the corn. Let's see if he's still on here. I think I missed him. Nope, he's still there. Something. There's a fish. Trout again? I do believe so. It's our third technically. Oh, and he comes off. He came off right on the bank. We have a rainbow trout here though. Okay guys, go ahead and let this fish go. Oh, come on bud. Where are you going? There he goes. See you later, buddy. Okay guys, there's a fish on this rod, I do believe. Fish on, oh, another trout, it looks like. Wow, the trout are going crazy today. It's like my 4th one. Picked up that jig head and worm. All right guys, trout number 4 there. Go ahead and get this guy back in the water. See you later, buddy. All right guys, something is on this rod. Got him. Trout again. Knew it. Oh yeah, it's not a bad fish. It's like number 5 by now. Okay guys, it's been a pretty decent day fishing, especially since I only had an hour to do it. Caught like 4 or 5 trout. Caught them on corn and night crawlers. Not bad for just an hour of fishing. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Oh yeah, guys, that's a big fish. I'll just give me a snag.